Sticking to a budget and saving money can be difficult, but taking up some savings challenges makes it interesting. We're here to help you improve this year with some excellent financial challenges that will help you quickly grow your savings. Welcome to Financial Flipside, where we help people with their personal finance and tackle everything about finance and financial literacy. To watch related videos and content, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get alerted when new videos are posted. In this video, we will discuss a range of different savings challenges to help you build your savings and reach all your financial objectives. You can use the money however you wish, not just for saving. Investing your hard-earned money is an excellent option. You can use these funds to buy a car, reduce debt, or any other need. It's a great way to save for your future goals in a set timeline. Have you thought about saving some money by creating a challenge for yourself? One of the most popular ones is the $1,000 in 30 days savings challenge. This is doable and a great way to start your savings journey. If you have never had the opportunity to set aside any amount of money previously, or if you need to save quickly for an unforeseen emergency fund or any kind of bill that needs to be paid within the next 30 days, then it is important to develop a plan and take actionable steps toward achieving your financial goals. Here, you've got a variety of options to pick from. Every day for the next 30 days, you'll be putting aside varying amounts. Some days it might be $5, others might be $45. The choice is yours. There are also structured saving options available. You can transfer a set amount of money to a savings account each day, move it, or even take cash out and store it in an envelope. All these methods help you save money in the long run. Do you have a goal to save up to $1,000? Consider taking up the savings challenge and allocating a particular amount of money daily to reach your desired financial goal. The next challenge is the 52-week savings challenge, a great way to save money systematically over the year. These plans have an allocated amount for every week of the year so that you can easily save each week and build it up over time. The 52-week savings challenge involves setting aside an increasing amount of money each week, starting with $1 and ending with $52 in the last week. This helps individuals slowly save up over time and create a healthy savings habit. At the end of the year, you could have $1,378 saved if you commit to adding a certain amount regularly. Putting away that money into your savings and budgeting accordingly can help you achieve this goal. The following challenge is similar but involves saving $20 each week. The $20 Savings Challenge. Start by setting aside $20 on the first week, and your savings keep increasing each week for 52 weeks. By the end, you'll have saved considerable money thanks to the $20 Savings Challenge. Every single week, you are putting aside $20. During the initial week, you will have $20. By the fourth week, that number multiplies to $80. And if you stay consistent with your savings plan, by the end of the year, you'll have a total of $1,040. Saving just $20 a week could help you accumulate over $1,000 at the end of the year. You can use this method to transfer money to another account or even store it away in a secure place at home in cash form. Doing this over time can give you great returns and financial security. Another savings challenge is the $10,000 Savings Challenge, which can be quite exhilarating. It will help you save an impressive amount of money in 12 months following a preset chart. All you need to do is stick to the allotted amount each week, and you will soon add up to $10,000. Setting aside a specific amount every month and investing it in savings can help you accumulate $10,000 by the end of the year. It's a great way to budget your money and reach your financial goals. You can customize this plan with larger or smaller amounts depending on your preference. To make sure that you can save effectively, it's important to keep a steady flow of deposits in your account. Even when finances are tight, small amounts can still be saved. And once your situation improves, larger deposits should be made. This way, you'll always be able to build up your savings fund. Hey there! Are you enjoying this video? If so, don't forget to like and share this video. Your subscription to this channel would also be helpful for you to learn more financial topics. And if you want to learn similar topics like this one, hit that subscribe button. But now, let's head on to the next challenge. The next challenge is to save up $20,000 within 1 year. The $20,000 Savings Challenge. Twice the amount from the previous challenge. It's a challenging task, but achievable with dedication and sacrifices. With this challenge, you have several alternatives to choose from. You can even tailor them to fit your lifestyle and accomplish what you want with some extra flexibility. You have many options for most of these that can help you make it work. Take on the $20,000 1-year savings challenge and come out as a winner. It's a great way to set yourself up for success by allocating specific weekly amounts toward your savings. The reward is well worth the effort. Some of these seem quite a lot. Indeed, $450 a week can be too much. However, some weeks may yield only $100. Therefore, you can use the $10,000 goal as a benchmark for your savings plan, but with the intention of saving even more money for your future. This will help ensure you have enough money saved to cover all expenses and that you're prepared for any surprises along the way. If you have big ambitions and want to save for a down payment on a home, why not take up the $20,000 in 1-year savings challenge to get closer to achieving them? This is the perfect way to jumpstart your journey and make serious progress toward reaching your dreams. With the right amount of dedication, you can use this challenge as an excellent opportunity to make your dreams a reality. The last challenge we're going to cover is a special kind of money-saving practice, using your spending and impulse buying tendencies to save money. You can fill out cards every week in which you enter the amount you were planning to spend. Impulse buying can be very tempting, so why not put a halt to it? The next time you eye something and feel the urge to buy it, jot it down instead. At the end of the week, look at your list. That total amount will give you an idea about what might have been spent. Put that in your savings instead for a more secure future. Having fun is great. However, it can rack up a hefty bill if you're not careful. Taking the time to write down all your impulses to purchase something and putting that money away helps you save for more important things. It can be a great way to save money and still have fun. This one is perfect for those no-spin challenges or occasions where you want to focus on savings rather than spending. Doing this as a savings challenge at different times throughout the year can add up in the long run. To ensure you're saving for the future, add your total and move it to a savings account. You'll be surprised how quickly that adds up and how much of a lovely cushion you can build in savings. With the various options for challenges mentioned, you can select one to take on this year and effectively employ the same or different challenges in upcoming years. These challenges are excellent motivators when you feel like your savings have plateaued and need a jump start to help you get back on track. Additionally, they can help you stay motivated and focused on saving more money while allowing you to allocate your funds to serve your long-term financial goals best. We sincerely hope that this information will be helpful for you to achieve any of the financial targets you have set for yourself. Whether it is forming a budget for the first time or saving up an impressive sum of money for your major financial aspirations. With our guidance, you can easily reach these objectives and better manage your finances. You possess the inner strength, motivation, and capability to accomplish any financial goals you set your mind to. And we are here to support you and cheer you on every step. With dedication and hard work, you have the power to turn your savings dreams into reality. Don't forget to like and share this video. To be more knowledgeable about financial tips and topics, Make sure to subscribe to Financial Flipside and hit the notification bell to get alerted when new videos are posted.